You've had your baby and now you're breastfeeding, doing your best to keep this tiny human alive and thriving. But what about you? Should you be taking a supplement now? Or is a healthy diet enough? Well, let's unpack whether you need a supplement while breastfeeding and how to make sure both you and your baby are getting the nutrients you need. Hi, I'm Melanie McGrice, an advanced accredited practicing dietitian who specialises in nutrition during the first 1,000 days of life. This means from preconception right through to toddlerhood. So if you're navigating feeding, fatigue, or just want to feel your best, make sure that you subscribe to this channel. You'll find evidence-based tips that are actually practical for busy mums. So let's get straight to the question. Do you need a supplement while breastfeeding? The short answer? It depends. Breastfeeding is a wonderful gift for your baby, but it's also incredibly demanding on your body. You're producing around 700 millilitres of milk per day in the early months, which requires extra energy, fluids and nutrients. If your diet isn't keeping up with those needs, or if your stores were low to begin with, a supplement can be helpful. Let's walk through a few key nutrients that are most commonly needed while breastfeeding. First up, iodine. Now, iodine is crucial for your baby's brain development, and your needs increase significantly when you're breastfeeding. In many countries, breastfeeding women are routinely advised to take an iodine supplement, even if they're eating well, because diet alone often isn't enough. But the exact recommendations vary depending on where you live, so it's best to speak to a dietitian or check your local guidelines. Next is vitamin D. Now, vitamin D is a tricky one. Sun exposure helps your body to produce it, but many women, especially those living in colder climates, those with darker skin, or those who cover up for cultural or religious reasons, don't get enough. And although breast milk is wonderful, it's typically low in vitamin D. Now, depending on your levels, your dietitian may recommend a supplement for you, your baby, or both. Then there's omega-3, especially DHA. Now, DHA plays a vital role in your baby's brain and eye development. If you're not eating oily fish, such as salmon or sardines regularly, you may benefit from a fish oil or algal oil supplement. It's especially important for vegetarian or vegan mums to check their intake. Now, iron is another important one to keep in mind. Even though your iron needs actually drop a little while breastfeeding, many women leave pregnancy with low iron stores due to blood loss during birth or pre-existing deficiency. If you're feeling exhausted, dizzy, or struggling with concentration, it's worth checking your levels. And finally, choline and B vitamins. These often fly under the radar, but are essential for your nervous system and your baby's development. Choline is found in foods such as eggs, but many breastfeeding women don't get enough, especially if they're avoiding animal products. B vitamins, such as B12, are especially important for plant-based mums. Now, to be clear, I'm not saying that every breastfeeding mum needs to be popping a dozen pills a day. A well-balanced diet that includes a variety of whole foods can go a very long way. But if your intake is low, your stores are depleted, or your dietary pattern is restricted, a supplement or two may help fill in the gaps. Now, this is where working with a dietitian really makes a difference. We can assess your intake, check for signs of deficiency, and make personalised recommendations rather than a one-size-fits-all approach. You can book a nutrition assessment with one of our experienced dietitians via the link in the description box below. So, do you need a supplement while breastfeeding? Well, possibly, but not always. The best approach is to make sure that your diet is doing the heavy lifting and use supplements to top up where needed. And always check with a healthcare professional before starting anything new. You're doing an amazing job, and I look forward to seeing you in my next video. And always check with a healthcare professional before starting anything.